Good day, everyone, and welcome back to a brand new vlog series of the Baileys Do Disney. And where are we off to this time?
California!
California! Yeah, California. We're going to California for 10 days over Christmas. So it's December the 11th today, and we're flying tomorrow on December the 12th. We can't wait. We can't wait at all. Go on, talk. Tell us.
It's the first day, so it's like
this is like travel day, so that's why we're all here. This is just a snippet of what is to come on this series. 10 days, like I said, and we're doing how many days in Disney, Mummy?
4.
4 days in Disney. So we're doing Disneyland and Disney California Adventure and Downtown Disney, obviously. Eating all the food. All of the food. All of the food. We've got so many things on our list. Riding loads of rides. And yeah, I couldn't get riding load ride. Need to put my fake teeth back in. And then we're going to Universal for 2 days.
Yes.
2 days. So that's gonna be cool because they've got the Mummy ride there, which is Sarah's favourite ride. And apparently, some people say it's better than the one in Universal, which is, don't know. If you've been to both, let us know which one's better or better. And then yeah, we can't wait for that.
We can't say it right.
No, I can't say it right because I'm actually common, but I pretend to be posh.
Really?
No, I'm just common. Don't pretend to be posh. What else are we doing? We're going to Knott's Berry Farm. That's a day we've got planned, which is a theme park that apparently Walt got a bit of inspiration to create Disney. That's a day. We're going to do the Warner Brothers tour, Warner Brothers studio tour, which we can't wait for.
And go to LA Lakers.
We're going to watch the LA Lakers, Callum, aren't we?
Ooh.
Callum loves basketball, so that'll be an experience. And it's my birthday whilst we're out there, so yeah, that'll be good.
And my dad said that he's going to feed me one of them big donuts, and I went crazy last time.
No big donuts. Yes, the big giant lad donut from Universal. If you haven't tried one, watch our last vlog. We got one on that, but oh my days. Big donut, big sugar count, big hyperactive moment. Good times. Good times. Should we get another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I will try not to be crazy.
No, you can be crazy. That's what we got to do.
No.
Mummy said she'll watch you as you're crazy.
No.
Yeah.
If you let her have the big donut, she's staying with you for an hour.
Yes, we'll have one together and we'll just run around the parks and do everything.
Yeah.
Completed Universal in 2 minutes, mate.
Yeah.
We're just really looking forward to it. It's our first time in California. We've never been. We actually put a poll on our Instagram page, which is Baileys Do Disney. It's not Baileys Do Disney. It's Bailey. What is wrong with me? Is Bailey? Was it?
Baileys Do Disney.
That's it. That's what it's called.
We've got it on our jumpers now.
We have got it on the back of our jumpers.
Yeah. So.
Look. And if you can see that, Baileys Do Disney on the back of our jumpers, which is cool. So yeah, I was about to say I'll put the Baileys Do Disney down the bottom, but you've just seen the app for it. So yeah, if you want to give us a follow and keep up with us over the next 10 days, gonna be a lot of content on there. That was probably potentially more content on our Instagram over the 2-3 week period of Orlando than probably the same that went onto our YouTube. So yeah. Anyway, I'll stop waffling on now. This is only a quick snapshot of what's to come.
We fly tomorrow morning.
Yes, from Heathrow.
Yep. Straight into LAX.
We heard that LAX isn't the best airport, but go on, Paige. Where's she going?
Going to get
Paige got our elf that come to visit from the North Pole got Paige a present today to take to Disney. She's got Chip and Dale Christmas teddies.
Yep.
They are the best. We can't wait to see Chip and Dale, can we?
I'm obsessed with them.
She's obsessed with Chip and Dale. So that's going to be good.
Yeah.
We can't wait to share our memories with you guys and all our experiences. And what I will admit now is I will be doing a lot of comparison to Orlando. Not because I'm comparing them, because I know they're two different places, but just to give a vibe of what's better for what and what is, yeah. Have you got anything to say so I can stop waffling on because I'm just talking rubbish?
No, I'm just excited to see California.
Callum, what are you most excited for on this trip, or do you not really know?
No clue.
Avengers Campus. I'm going to throw it out there. I cannot wait for the Avengers Campus. What about you, Paige?
Chip and Dale.
Chip and Dale. Good. You, Sarah?
No, I just can't wait to see
Food.
the original park.
Yes. I thought you were going to say
Also
food.
food. I've been talking about food a lot.
Yeah.
I like food.
No, the original park. It's got a lot of memories. That's where it all started. So.
Yeah. It's been on our bucket list for a long time, and we just kept on going back to Florida. But now we finally are doing California.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
If you'd like to watch the rest of the content you haven't already done, if you'd like to watch the rest of the content and you haven't already done so, please do like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I don't even know what you can do on YouTube. I don't really use it that much, but yeah, this next 10 days or this vlog series will be put out weekly like we did on the last series. But if you want to watch it as it's happening, go onto YouTube. There'll be a lot of live and actual real-time content. And if you'd like to watch the actual vlog itself, then please subscribe and do so. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.